fungus. Molds grow in nature. Mold is an important natural recycler. Compost helps with less greenhouse gas, also provides nutrients to plants. Fungus helps plants with water and minerals.
Hello. So for gardening class, we learned a lot about composting and plants. So for composting, we learned about helping the environment and how if you compost, you can like eliminate a lot of the waste and methane that would go into the environment, and also how plants use photosynthesis, like they use sun and water to convert it into sugar and food so that they can get their nutrients. But also composting your food and putting it into the plants helps it to get more nutrients and grow better. We learned about the plant anatomy. This also was with photosynthesis. And we also learned about fungi and how it would it helps the plant grow. What else? We learned about trash and how it releases methane. Where's that? I don't know. This, yeah, and how the compost also helps the.
Hi, my name is Haya. I'll be showing my found poem, my composting bin, and my bean plant. Let's start off with my found poem. It says, composting nutrients for soil can help restrain soil, less full landfills, free plant food with rich nutrients, reduce gases, and more. Tiny spores become mold. Mold is a natural recycler. It is useful for the environment. Fungi helps plants and absorb water and minerals. Plants help fungi by bringing the leftover sugar to feed and help fungus survive. Here's the found poem. And here's my composting bin. It kind of has leftover toilet paper rolls and leftover food in it. And here's my bean plant that I grew in this program, and it grown a lot since I first planted it. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this, and goodbye.
And I also grew a grocery store plant. I got a ginger from the kitchen, and it looks like that. And then, yeah, okay.